Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. How can financial advisors play a role in improving Americans' financial confidence? Joining me to discuss this, Cella, principal at Edward Jones. Ken, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Hey, good morning. It's great to be here with you.
You got it. Edward Jones recently conducted a study about financial wellness. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, we're really excited about this. We learned that more than 9 in 10 Americans view financial wellness as really important. So really not surprising, right? People want to feel stable, financially stable. And it turns out that less than 1/3 feel like they have $500 in emergency savings. Now, that's kind of alarming, right? And if you think about that, financial wellness really does take many forms. But most Americans define it as having no anxiety over paying their monthly bills, for example, having enough money to take care of their family and themselves, and really having no debt. So this report really has been great, and the insights are really helpful.
How can financial advisors play a role in improving Americans' financial confidence?
You know, having a trusted advisor plays a significant role. Our survey revealed that people who choose to work with a financial advisor feel twice as confident in their financial wellness. And that's meaningful, right? Everybody wants to feel confident. We found also that financial education is really the key. People it really need to it comes down to educating themselves to really understand it. And that's why at Edward Jones, we work to educate individuals in managing their debt, building an emergency fund, and really continuing to save for retirement. In 2022 alone, Edward Jones engaged more than 32,000 high school students at 600 high schools all across the country. We're really proud of the work that our financial advisors are doing there, and they're really bringing to life what we've come to call our financial fitness program that really focuses on students. And 63% of these students are reporting greater confidence, greater financial wellness. 53% are feeling more prepared and really getting through the course. Now, that might sound like financial wellness in a student, but yes, right? Because they need to learn about it. They need to feel confident about financials earlier in their life.
And what are some of the biggest knowledge gaps in financial education that prevent Americans from achieving financial wellness?
Great question. Yeah, it really comes down to, first and foremost, building an emergency fund, because that's what usually throws people off, is not having something to fall back on. When we've asked people about how they're feeling about their current emergency fund savings, I don't think it'll be surprising to you that respondents are feeling stressed. They're feeling concerned and anxious. And so, as you know, experts recommend having 3 to 6 months living expenses as an emergency fund. But what we're finding is that 1/3 of our respondents have less than 1 month. And, you know, it's really shocking because inflation and market conditions, are really eating away at emergency savings funds. People are spending more money on necessities like groceries and basic housing costs than ever more today. And so really savings are falling down on the priority list. And I think one of the things that's really key here is, again, how do you work with a financial advisor? Somebody who can really come alongside and help you understand how to prioritize those investments and those spending and savings needs.
And finally, what are some actionable steps financial advisors can take in improving Americans' financial literacy?
You know, I think that people often get off track with short-term thinking. And so I think one of the steps is working with an advisor that can help you think a little bit longer term, help you focus on your long-term goals, and not get distracted by the daily fluctuations and by things that you're not planning for that come into your purview. Staying focused on goals is really the key. Helping to educate individuals younger is one of the things that we're really focused on, and our financial fitness program is really aimed at that, really helping students and then even clients get better education, better understanding of financial concepts, and we're doing that through digital platforms. We're halfway toward our goal of helping 1 million learners increase their financial literacy by 2025, and we're really proud of that work.
Yeah, that is incredible work that you're doing, Ken. Appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.